Today we're gonna have a look at what's in my bag. Hi again, it's me. I'm Jade from Lombia, and I've been working with Indigenous Wayuu women for close to 8 years now. So I design Wayuu bags and all types of Wayuu accessories, and which you will find in my store, which I will link down below. So today I wanted to show you what fits inside one of my favorite medium Wayuu bags, and it's also one of your favorites too. For this spring, I pack a little differently according to the seasons, although I do like to carry not the bare minimum, but the essentials and a little bit more. So today I wanted to show you what fits inside my medium Rubia Wayuu bag. So first things first, it's spring, it's quite rainy. Here in Bogota, we're between crazy sunshine and then torrential rains. So I find this umbrella to be absolutely perfect. It has this really cute design that works really well for my bright and summery outfits, and it also works really well for the rain. And on top of that, it has, I'm sure most umbrellas have it, but it has this button so it can pop open immediately with one hand. So while I have the dog, I have a huge bag, or I'm a little bit overloaded, this is perfect to just open and go. Something else I carry absolutely everywhere is my nifty water bottle. Wherever I go, it goes. I love it. As you can see, it's been quite knocked up. It does travel everywhere, and when I travel and go on vacation, I also take this with me. Yes, it's been, you can see here, it's been bumped a little bit, but my nifty water bottle always comes in handy. I'm always a thirsty gal, so this is perfect. I carry my canvas tote. So this canvas tote goes everywhere with me. This is perfect not only for groceries, but let's say I'm carrying a little bit extra. I can take this with me. I'm running a last minute errand and it doesn't fit here. I have this with me. Plastic bags here in Colombia do not cost extra, but you know, this is better for the environment. I've had this for a couple years. It takes up really no space. So this canvas tote also goes everywhere with me. You see, I just kind of put the handles around it and keep it nice and folded, and it goes everywhere. As well, a few napkins or whatever you need. You never know. I always carry them. I usually take napkins when I go pick up coffee. I grab a few extra. When I grab lunch outside, I grab a little bit of extra and I start saving them up. Something else I always carry is an extra scrunchie. I don't find scrunchies around my wrist to be very aesthetic. I don't find it to be a nice look. So I always keep a couple scrunchies in my Wayuu bag just in case I need to get my hair out of the way, I need to do something. I have one at hand. A nice hairbrush. I'm also quite big on sun protection, so sunscreen goes absolutely everywhere with me. Sunscreen, then chapstick, but first and foremost, sunscreen. Something else I use are sunglasses. I'm not going to take them out, but they also go everywhere with me. And here in Colombia, there are still some places that you have to wear masks. I know up until not long ago when we went to a doctor's appointment, we had to wear a mask. So just in case, I never know if some places are still making us wear these masks. So I'm always wearing one. And as well, if I'm in a public space where someone is coughing particularly hard, I just really don't want to get sick. So I rather carry my mask. And yes, I did happen to pick up a heavy duty one, those K95s, but hey, better safe than sorry, right? As far as wallets, I always like the smaller wallets. I've never been a fan of bigger wallets, at least not for the past 10 years. So this is really a basic 6-card, actually it has 8 slots, plus a little bit of cash. We never really carry much cash anymore, and that's about it. I remember when wallets used to be a thing where we used to keep photos of our loved ones and memorabilia, and I used to do all of that, but now I keep it really simple, just a few basic cards, a little bit of cash, if any, and that's about it. And there's this one event that I went to recently with a very good friend. So I am a big indoor cycling fan, and I don't have a lot of pictures with this friend, so I keep this photo because I think it's actually really nice. The last thing I carry with me absolutely everywhere, now that we're a little bit more out and about, and I love to meet up girlfriends at cafes and have a drink without having to put my bag behind me, in the chair behind me. This is actually something I picked up from my great-grandma. Great-grandma or my great-great-grandma? My great-grandma. And she has this thing, so I'm going to show you right here. It's this thing. It takes up no space at all, and this isn't a magnet, but it's got a little bit of rubber for better grip. And basically you unroll it, you put this on top of the table, right? And here you put your bag, so your bag can hang right underneath you without you having to put it behind. I find this particularly useful, so I can keep my bag close to me, I can keep an eye on it, I know that no one's doing anything weird. And so these Wayuu bags, like, they have quite a long strap. I don't want my bag hanging on the floor, so what I'll usually do is tie a knot like this and then put it on the hook right underneath me. That's about everything I carry for the spring season. I like to travel light with the essentials and a little bit more, but as you can see, everything fits inside quite comfortably. I do like to keep a little bit of space for anything else that might arise, but that's about it. I hope you like what fits inside my Wayuu bag for this spring edition, and I hope to see you next time. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already subscribed, be sure to, as I will be posting about 1 to 2 videos a month. So don't miss out on these. Thank you for watching. See you next time.